All right. I'm leaving Catawba Shelter, night hiking to Mount McAfee Knob. It's 1.7 miles uphill. Got Smouse, got Mike, Bodega, and Duckling, and can't see much, so I'll tell you when it gets light. Made it to McAfee Knob, and the sun is about to rise. There were a few people here when we got here. A couple people hammocking behind me. But yeah, it was a fun little 1.7 mile hike to start the day. And we'll see how the rest of the day is. But I'm going to go into Daleville and spend the night there, I think. It's only 16 miles, but it's been a lot tougher than I expected in this part of Virginia. And so I'm a day behind, so I need to resupply anyway. But I'll let you know what else happens. All right. Very steep drop, but a very beautiful view. And I don't know what river that is, but man, it's nice. So made it to the start of Tinker Cliffs, and that mountain all the way in the distance, you definitely can't see it, but just below the top's McAfee Knob, where we were 3 hours ago, and we hiked all down that ridge line and back up, and that's the valley from the other side, and the cliffs go this way for a bit, and we're gonna head into Daleville, and I'm gonna do a Nero, but it's gonna be like 18 miles, and we're gonna get Cracker Barrel, so we're excited about that. Alright, so that's Tinker Cliffs. Can't remember if I just said it or not, so I'm going to say it now. That completes what's known as the Virginia Triple Crown, which started with Dragon's Tooth yesterday and McAfee Knob like we did this morning, and ends here at Tinker Cliffs. So, Triple Crown of Virginia. Got a power line. We're gonna do a quick power line segment because I am trying to get to town. But let's go up here and see what we got. All right, to the right. Oh, very nice view. Give that a 9. The reservoir and the mountains, I bet we were up there. I think I came down across the ridge on the right. And to the right, a view of town, and it looks like I-81. So we'll give that like a 6. It's a nice view, but I mean, a highway. All right.